Alright, Dave 638, Raise One here.
Just seeing how this President Washington little VFO base TV radio is turning your way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you.
Yeah, g'day, Raise One, 638. That's sounding good. Well, I'm getting you about an S6 at the moment. We've got a bit of background noise today, but I'm hearing you spot on frequency. Audio sounds good. I'll put it back to you.
Yeah, awesome. No, thank you so much. Fantastic. Yeah, no, received it nice this way. I wasn't watching the signal view, but definitely quite strong display and clear audio, so fantastic on your modulation end and on the receive on this end. What I might do is I've got the Nitro rings off, Nitro rings on, sorry. I'll just flick them off and turn the light on, and then maybe meet you on upper side.
Okay, alright, I'll go to upper side.
Alright, meet you there, thanks. So 638, Raise One. Hopefully that sounds about the same here on upper side band. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, back to you.
Yes, right, yeah, that's exactly the same. I can't tell any difference in audio whatsoever. Sounds good. Again, I'm getting a bit of background noise that may be exaggerated on the recording, I'm not sure, but otherwise, yeah, quite usable.
Yeah, that's cool. No, as long as everything sounds pretty clean, that's cool. And not frequency, of course. And last of all, if it's alright, we'll just try AM and nothing. Let's do it. Alright, 638, Raise One, here on AM. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, back to you.
Yeah, right, gotcha. Yeah, it's okay. It's not as loud as sideband was, but given the distance between us, yeah, I think that's a pretty good result. So, yeah, all sounding good. This end, just don't have to struggle with the noise that's in the background, but that's the way it goes.
Yeah, no, quite good. Yeah, that sort of 4x3 back this way, so yeah, I can definitely read you well, so like you said, it's a bit more noisy out, so happy days. I think the client's been quite happy with that. Thank you so much for that, Dave. I'll wind up the recording here and chat to you a bit after that.
Okay, Ray, happy to help. No problem. I'll stop recording you soon and send it through.